Welcome to jobworld.com, where we do the job of connecting buyers with the best Caribbean real estate opportunities. Today, we're taking you inside another incredible property in the Caribbean, so stay tuned. Also, for all your property valuations, please visit our website, which is on your screen.
Imagine owning this jewel of a property where every day feels like vacation. Pelican Point is your canvas for creating an extraordinary lifestyle. The centerpiece of the rooms are the beautiful crafted woodworks, its rich, warm tones bringing a touch of nature indoors. With large windows allowing soft, natural light to filter in, casting a golden glow across these wooden elements. The beach is your playground, a place where you can sink your toes into the soft, powdery sand and take leisurely strolls along the water edge. Oh, and the heart of the home, the beautifully designed kitchen is a masterpiece in itself. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of heaven on earth.